Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rahul. Today we are tackling an essential coding interview problem merging overlapping intervals. This problem is a common one, often asked in interviews at top tech companies like Google, Amazon, and Facebook. We will break it down step by step and explain how to solve it efficiently in Java. So here is the problem. You are given an array of intervals where each interval is represented as start and end. Your task is to merge all the overlapping intervals and return the result. If you take this example 1, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, you can see 1, 3 and 2, 4 are overlapped. So we will merge it as 1, 4 and remaining will be same. Like that we have to do. So now let's dive into the Java code and solve this problem. So our first step is to sort the intervals based on their start times. Sorting ensures that we process the intervals in the correct order, which is crucial for merging overlapping intervals. For that, we will use the inbuilt function Arrays.sort our array A B. We will use string integer dot compare A of 0 B of 0. So here we use the arrays.sort with a custom comparator to sort the array by comparing the start times of two intervals, that is A and B. This operation runs in big of n log n time where n is the number of intervals. Next, we have to create a list. I will name it as merged new array list. So this one is to store the resulting merged intervals. This list will dynamically grow as we process the intervals. That's why we use array list. Now we are going to get into the loop so that we can sort the loop through the sorted intervals to merge them one by one. For that, I am using the for each loop interval array. So first of all, I have to check is it not overlap. If the merged list is empty or the current interval doesn't overlap with the last interval in the list, we simply add the interval to the merged list. So that we will use the following condition. If merged dot is empty or merged dot get merged dot size minus 1 less than interval of 0. If it is like satisfy this condition, we need to add the interval to the merged list. Dot add interval. Else we need to check another condition there, which is overlapping intervals. If the current interval overlaps with the last interval in the merged list, we merge them by updating the end of the last interval. So we take the maximum of the two end times to ensure the interval covers the complete overlap. So we will give else merged dot get merged dot size 1 equal to, you will use the mat.max function, merged dot get merged dot size minus 1 of 1 interval of 1. That's it. At last we have to return the merged. I will just keep it here so that easy to read. Yeah, you can see it's working. So now let's talk about the complexities. When it comes to time complexity, the sorting step takes big of n log n, and the single pass through the interval takes big of n. Thus, the overall time complexity is big of n log n. When it comes to space complexity, we are using a list to store the most intervals, which takes big of n space in the worst case when no intervals overlap. Let's submit it. Yeah, it's done. And that's it. We have successfully solved the merging overlapping intervals problem. This approach is efficient, clean, and perfect for coding interviews. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Drop your question in the comments, and I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Keep coding.